What's up, all my fine girls? No Pimple is Whit here again with another video. So today I am going to be doing an Aritzia haul. I recently got into Aritzia. Actually just discovered them in my Dallas vlog when I went to Dallas earlier this month. Yeah, earlier this month. That was the first time that when I was out there, I went into an Aritzia store and I, was just, looking around and thinking of it just like a regular store to me. And I've had the chance to feel the quality of their Sculpt knit shirts. I didn't buy anything that day, but it left an imprint in my mind. I was like, I have to make an order. Like, I have to buy something. So of course, I don't like to shop in stores. I was just in the store because my friend Amy, she was shopping around. I like to shop online because I like to take my sweet time. I like to add things to my basket, take it out. I like to create outfits. I like to just take my sweet time, and it usually takes me like a week or so before I can make up my mind, and then I go ahead and place my order. So, and then also their stuff is not cheap. Okay, it is not cheap. So I have to, make sure that, this is what I want. So I have a couple things that I want to try out that, I got. I think I spent about like a little bit over $500, and they're currently having their sale right now. So yeah, their stuff is not cheap, but I have a couple of their Sculpt knit shirts and dresses, and I want to just, go ahead and try it for you guys. So let's go ahead and get into it. Ignore my mismatching hangers. Okay, listen, I plan on redoing like my whole closet, like the hangers. I got to change them all out. So ignore this. Anyways, so I have two right here, these tops, and this is their Sculpt knit square neck, and I got both of these tops in a size large. Both of these retail for $68 each. I don't think I paid the full $68 for both. So the thing is that they have a sale going on right now, but some colors are on sale, some of them aren't. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and try these tops on so you guys can see. All right, so this is the first top, and I think this is stunning. Now the thing I like about this top is that it's fitted in a sense. So if you're somebody that, you like the idea of a bodysuit, but you don't actually like the whole snapping of a bodysuit, I think you would like this right here because it's nicely fitted. So I don't actually have the shirt tucked in. It just it sticks to the skin really nicely. So it's perfect for, outfits that you want to kind of tuck in your shirt. This just looks really, really gorgeous. The thing that I like about Aritzia, and you guys, I need you guys to be able to see this. If you shop Aritzia, then you already know. But I was just like, for anybody wondering, why is this top $68, y'all? The quality, the thickness, like this is going to last you years, okay? That is my whole thing. Like, I am now in a place in my life where just like, I want to start buying clothes that are going to last me forever. Like, not forever, but they're gonna hold up. So I'm trying to get more, basics. Like, I just really wanted this cute color because it was cute. But like a color like this you can wear this with so many different outfits. The quality is amazing. Okay, so this is the other color. So I wanted to leave it untucked so you guys can see like the length of it. Let me see. I'm gonna pull my shorts down a little bit so you guys can see like where my stomach is at. So like this is where stomach is at, and this is where it stops at. So like I like the fit of it. This is definitely great for high-waisted items. So I have another Sculpt knit material here, but this is the one with the back out. Let me read the exact name of this. So this is the Subtle Mint. Oh, I thought it was gonna give me a little more description. Okay, either way it goes, it's like a halter neck, and it's like your back is out, and it's the same quality on the other shirts that I've been trying out. So we're gonna go ahead and try this one on. And this top does retail for $58. So it's like $10 cheaper than the square neck one right here. And also, I did pick up the infamous, I also watched a bunch of Aritzia's haul before I made my purchase. So these right here, this is their Effortless, this is the Wilfred, yeah, the Wilfred Effortless tall pants. So they have like short, regular, and tall. I'm 5'7". Sorry, I'm not 5'7". I'm 5'8". Okay, and so these are the pants, and I got them in frozen gray. That's the color. So I'm gonna try on those two together so you guys can see. And I'm gonna have to probably, angle my camera down so you can kind of see where the length stops on me. But yeah, and also I did get this in a size 16. Now I was also looking at a lot of the reviews on the website, and they did recommend sizing up. Typically I wear a size 12 or 14. I have gained a little bit of weight, so more like a 14 right now, but typically it should be 12 or 14. So I was like, you know what, since I gained a little weight and I'm now 14 for the most part, let me get a size 16. And yeah, so let's go ahead and try these on. Okay, so this is the next outfit right here. I hope my, I can't really see because of the ring light, but hopefully my nipples are not just pew, 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 pew at you guys. But yes, this is something that I definitely would wear nipple pasties with. I got this in a size large. For me, I feel like I like the fit of the large as far as all of this, but I would have liked a medium because I would prefer it to be more of like this. So I don't know if this is something that I would take to the tailor and see if they could just, honestly tighten the neck area, because I feel like that would just look better. you know, to hold the girls up a little bit more. Like, this isn't bad, but like, I just, it's just not, you know. And then this is what the back looks like. Sorry, let me go ahead and move my hair out the way. So yeah, this is what the back of the top looks like. This is a really just like sexy, you know, cute little top right here. I love the mint green color, and I can't really return this because it is a final sale, because this was on sale. This was not, I didn't pay for this full price. So I think when, you know, they have the final sale, it's just like, it's yours. You can't use, don't return it. It's yours to keep. So, you know, so for me, I definitely want to get this taken to the tailor so that way I can get this tightened up and I can have my girls sitting up a little bit higher, okay? Because, you know, I like them up here, okay? I don't want them all the way down there. Now let's go ahead and talk about these pants. I'm gonna go ahead and move the camera down so you guys can see the pants better. Okay, so these are the pants right here. And as you guys can see, they pretty much, for the most part, hit down to my ankle. So like I said, I'm 5'8". So I feel like these are a pretty good fit for me, like the length. As far as the fit of the pants, I like them, but I was honestly wishing that these were, you know, a little more flared. You know, that new look that's definitely in style, like the nice like pants, but they're more flared. I feel like my thighs are just so thick that, you know, it's almost like it's a little too fitted in the thigh area for my liking, for what I was going for. I wanted this to be more like that loose, flowy look for sure. They're not bad, but you know, I think, you know, a little bit of some weight loss, and I think that might be better. Now, let's talk about, does this gape? It does have a little bit of some gaping. So for me, this is something I'm gonna have to take to the tailor to definitely get, you know, a little more cinched in, or I think a nice little belt. It's not too bad. Like, you know, it's not like it's like all the way out there, but it definitely can be. So it's just like, I don't know, I feel like a nice little belt would definitely do this justice. As far as it being see-through, it's not see-through, but it's not too, like, it's like fitted in a way where it's like, if you have like cellulite, you know, little dimples and stuff, you can kind of see it. Okay, so the pants, they're not too bad. Like, I feel like for the most part, they're decent, like, you know, but these pants retail for $148, okay? And I paid full price. These were not on sale, at least not this color. And I just, looking at them, they're just not really giving me $148 vibe. I feel like I can get pretty decent, like, you know, pants like this at like a department store, or I don't know, I feel like it's like any regular store. I don't feel like I have to pay this price. Am I gonna keep these? I mean, why not? I'll keep them. I mean, it is what it is. Like, I don't dislike them, but I don't know if I'll buy another pair. Let me just say that. I don't know if I will buy another pair. And yeah, I actually did go on another website, and I think I found some pretty good pants that I think are gonna give me the vibe that I want. So hopefully when those get here, I'm like, oh yes. But I mean, overall, I think this is a cute little outfit. Actually, this looks really good together, you know? I just need to go ahead and get this tightened up. And, you know, I would need to put a belt on with this, because just wearing this like this is not going to cut it. But I mean, overall, it's a cute little fit, I guess you could say. Put some heels on, can really get snazzy with this. Okay, so moving on now, I have this top right here, and this is the contour v-neck bodysuit. And the bodysuit actually is not the one where you can snap. So personally for me, I like these bodysuits more so for putting them on. I don't want to have to snap them on. Now, the issue is when I guess you want to pee. But yet again, I have no problem undressing myself completely in the restroom and peeing. Like, I really don't have issues just, you know, taking it all down. I do have fake nails, so honestly, I don't like to do a lot of toggling down there and having to snap things back, and you know, you just finish peeing and it's just like, you gotta snap thing, and you know, like, even though I'm gonna wash my hands afterwards, it's just like, I just don't want to do all of that. I'd rather just, you know, take the tissue, wipe myself, and go ahead and throw it in the toilet and, you know, flush down and go wash my hands. I don't want to have to, you know, be, you know, messing and finagling down there with snaps. So I personally don't mind when they don't have the snap. I like to just, you know, sloop, put it on and take it off. Like, I like that. So let's talk about this right here. The quality, y'all, this is definitely double lined. Let me see. Like, cause you know, usually if you stretch something out, you can kind of see if it's see-through. It's not giving see-through. It's not giving see-through. Also, I like how they did the back part with it. Like, I just like the fact that it's just like straight up like a thong. Sometimes the bodysuits where it's like where almost like it's like the full coverage, depending on the bottoms you wear, it may not be flattering. It may just kind of show, may give like a little bit of imprint. So I kind of like when bodysuits just, you know, let's just keep it with a thong and keep it simple. Okay, so this is this bodysuit, and My goodness, I love it. I absolutely love this bodysuit. This right here is yet again another classic piece. It's white. It can go with a lot of things. It's something that, you know, it was just, and I'm a bodysuit wearer, okay? Like bodysuits are like a easy outfit for me. Put on a bodysuit, a pair of bottoms, you know, put a little bit some accessories on. Simple, easy fit to just kind of come up with. So for me, I like to have a lot of bodysuits in very neutral colors. But I love this. Like, I don't think I have anything like with this like neckline with the deep V. So it gives a little bit of some sexy, you know, for sure. We'll definitely need to put on some nipple pasties just because I don't be one of the girls to, you know, just be everybody, okay? So let me show you guys the back of this because yet again, it's also that nice little V back there. Very just, this is such a sexy summer top. This does retail for $48, I believe. Let me just, yeah, $48. Yet again, I got all the tops in a large and yeah, all the tops in large. I do have one dress that I want to show you guys after this. I mean, there's not really much to say, but other than I love this top. So this is the last thing I have, and it is this dress right here with the nice little halter neck, I guess you could say. This color right here has been like my obsession. I call it the Bottega green. I think this is a Kelly green, but for me, I call it a Bottega green. And this is because I feel like Bottega to me is a brand that popularized this color. And I have been obsessed with this color. And Aritzia literally has damn near everything that I could think of on their website in a color like this. And I just could not make up my mind. I was like, I want everything in this color. I was like, Whitney, you cannot have all these green items. Like, no, you know? So I was like, pick one, okay? Everything else, try to do something that you can, because these are not cheap clothes, okay? So I'm trying to get stuff that I can wear over and over. So colors that I can wear more. And so for me, I was like, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and have fun with this green color right here. Now this dress typically retails for $110. I don't know if I can't remember because these are separate orders. I can't remember if I paid full price for this or if I got it with a discount. I don't know, but let's go ahead and try this dress on, okay? Oh, and then also I just want to point out another thing, y'all. The quality, like, you guys, I cannot emphasize how good the quality is. This right here is heavy. Also, I have a dress here that I have from Shein, very similar colors, and I gotta put these up close so you guys can really see, like, just the quality on both of these. Like the hanger, like this just feels heavier holding it. Like, not saying this is a bad dress, but like, y'all, the qualities don't compare. I had to hold them up both so you can see just how thick this Aritzia one is compared to this. Like, this is a lot more, I mean, it's not bad, but like, this is definitely, you know, I can see why it's $110. Okay, that. So let me go ahead and try this dress on for you guys. Okay, so this is the dress on. And I think I'm gonna have to just slightly tilt my camera down, but I just want you guys to be able to, actually, yeah, let me just tilt it down real quick so you guys can see. Okay, so that's better. Yeah, my face kind of cut off. But anyways, I just want you guys to be able to see this dress. So this is it on me. Like I stated, I am 5'8". If you are shorter than me, you probably will like this dress even more. This was more on the more mini side, and I contemplated buying. I was like, I don't know, you know, but I did do the walk test in my room over and over, and it slightly rise up. I mean, that's normal. Like, you know, a dress is gonna slightly just ride up. You're gonna have to do a little, you know, little scoochie down. But I mean, other than that, like, it's nice. Like, it really is a nice dress, and it's gorgeous. For me, definitely will have to wear some type of shapewear on this because I want it to be snatched, okay? Snatched in this dress. Let me show you guys what it looks like from the back. This color just looks so good on my skin, you guys. Oh my goodness. I am like in love with this dress. She is freaking gorgeous. I think, just stunning. The color is just gorgeous. With some cute, like, this is definitely white heels. This is giving white heels. You know, toes done, nails done, makeup done. Just, you know, looking like a snack. I mean, but yeah, so that's that with this outfit. That's actually that with this Aritzia haul. So comment down below what your favorite piece was. If you've ever shopped Aritzia, did you pick anything up from their, you know, their sale that they have going on? Because y'all, glad they had a sale going on because they're expensive, but I feel like the quality matches the price for the most part, so I am at it. I feel like their Sculpt knit for me is what just made me love them even more. I haven't tried most of their other stuff, obviously, from what I have here, but their Sculpt knit is what I definitely was going crazy for, and I literally want everything. Like, I literally want every type of top, every type of dress, in this actual, like, material. Amazing. Amazing. But anyways, that's the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, I will talk to you beauties later. Bye.